Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you the top 3 secrets to find the perfect long tail keywords that will be less competitive, more profitable and easier to rank for. With that, I'll also give you a few tips on how you can use those keywords in your advertising campaigns to boost your product visibility and drive targeted traffic to your Amazon listings. So without any delay, let's get to the main discussion. So let me tell you what are long tail keywords and what are the good thing about using them. At first, as the name suggests, they are longer, generally more than 3 words. They are more specific and less competitive, so there are fewer people using them to search for products. This means that it's easier to rank for long tail keywords in the search results compared with the short tail keywords. For example, the keyword phone case is a short tail keyword, while the keyword phone case for iPhone 14 is a long tail keyword. Secondly, long tail keywords are more relevant to your product. So they are more likely to be used by people who are actually interested in buying your product. As you can also notice in our previously mentioned example, while the short tail keyword phone case was very generic. On the other hand, the long tail keyword phone case for iPhone 14 was very specific. This means long tail keywords are more relevant to the buyer's intent, which can lead to higher conversion rates and eventually more sales. Finally, long tail keywords often have a lower CPC. Bidding on them can be more cost effective, allowing you to extend your advertising budget further. Now let's talk about strategies, how to find those long tail keywords. Number 1, Amazon Search Term Report. The Amazon Search Term Report is an excellent tool for finding long tail keywords. To access the Amazon Search Term Report, log into your Amazon Seller Center account and navigate to the advertising section. From there, select the measurement and reporting. Then click Sponsored Ads Report and click Create Reports options. Please choose the report category, report type and report period option. Then click Run Report. This report shows you the search term that customers have used, along with metrics such as clicks, conversions and sales attributed to each term. Here we have the search term Hello Kitty, which is a generic and short tail keyword with high competition. It has a monthly search volume of over 350k with spending of $739 and sales of $1.37k. The CPC for this keyword is around $1.48 per click. Meanwhile, you can see the long tail keyword Hello Kitty Mirror with Light provides better results with a lower CPC and higher CTR. Even this search term describes our product best. Now let's compare that to a long tail keyword like Hello Kitty Mirror with Light. We have had a good number of sales in last 30 days and our CPC is only 41 cents. Did you notice how crucial long tail keywords can be? I think you did. So what's your job now? Yes, you need to check your search term report and mark those long tail keywords that have lower CPC but good conversions. And now let's get to the next part. Number 2, Search Query Performance Report on Amazon. You can find this report in your brand analytics. It's the Search Query Performance Report which provides detailed insight into the actual search term that triggered your product ads. To access this report, log into your Amazon Seller Center account and navigate to the brand section, then brand analytics and click on search query performance. I will check with the ASIN, so click on the ASINs view and find my product here. Then select the longest date range. Now it will give me the top keywords or search term for the product. Now we will get a bunch of keywords that we can generate a download by clicking here generate download. It should bring you to a page like this. Once it downloads, you can click on download. Now let's put this report data to a Google Sheet. Here I am just keeping the search term and removing other columns. I will put a formula here for word count where you can easily count the word for each search term. Now I am going to filter this and remove 1, 2, 3 and here are your long tail keywords. Number 3, research top competitors. The third and final report we want to download is a reverse ASIN search on our top competitors. The reason why we want to do this is because the first report that we downloaded only is going to show us the search term for the product that we used in our advertising campaigns. And then the search query report. It's only going to show us keywords that are bringing traffic to our products. Again, it's just to our products. That's why we are going to do this top competitors research to get their keywords as well. So I recommend you to pick at least 10 of your competitors' ASINs and put them into Helium 10 Cerebro. By the way, we have described in our last video how you can research your top competitors. If you missed that, please check it out from the I button. Anyways, before clicking on Get Keywords, I'm gonna filter some points to get the best result. I want to put 4 at the minimum word count because I want to get keywords that have minimum 4 words. You can add 2, 3, 4, 5, whatever you want. Then I want to get keywords that have minimum 500 search volume, minimum 2 organic ranks, and a maximum of 50 sponsored rank. Now let's click on the get keywords, and here we are. These are the keywords according to our requirements. Now we will export them as an Excel file, review the keywords and use them for our items. Finally, these are the 3 ways how you can finalize the list of long tail keywords. Once you have your final list of long tail keywords, you are ready to take your Amazon strategy to the next level. Long tail keywords can be a game changer, helping you increase the visibility, improve conversion rates, and make the most of your advertising budget. We hope this video helps you to understand the importance of long tail keywords and at the same time shows you how to find the profitable keywords for Amazon PPC. If you have any difficulties with finding long tail keywords, we are here to help you. You can contact us via email at info@ecomclips.com with this video reference. You can also check out our website www.ecomclips.com to get useful blogs that may help your business a lot. Our team can provide you with the best solution of all time. If this video is helpful for you, please like, comment and share with others. Also subscribe to our channel Ecomclips and click the bell icon to get the notification for our next video. Thank you for watching and best of luck with your Amazon journey.